Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Dr. Shishilawati. This is Group 4 for presentation for Engineering Economy Project, which consists of five students, Muhammad Fuad, Muhammad Rizwan Hafiz, Muhammad Nabi Iman, Nabi Fahmi, and Mukmin.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Nabil Fahmi Biroslan. Okay, for this project presentation, I will present about the introduction of our project. Okay, the first one is engineering economic involve the application of economic principle and calculation within the context of engineering. The field of engineering economy also encompasses the systematic evaluation of proposed engineering solution to determine their financial viability. In order to ensure accurate cost and revenue estimation that align with expected project or system outcome, engineer must consider all ethically relevant factor during their research. As a developer, our company has the responsibility to construct a new multipurpose development in Iskandar, Malaysia. To prevent error and minimize potential losses during and after the project engineer must carefully evaluate various factors, including the economy, financial performance, the benefit cost ratio, and other relevant financial consideration. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so moving on to company background. Melewa Development Sdn Bhd has been in operation for more than 40 years. The company specializes in creating development with multiple uses, including office, buildings, hotels, and shopping centers. Melewa Development has a history of completing high-quality projects on schedule and on budget. A group of Malaysian business people who identified the potential of expansion of the construction sector created the company in 1997. Melewa Development swiftly rose to prominence as one of the Malaysia's top construction firms and has since established a solid reputation for independence and quality. To add on, Melewa Development places a high priority on social responsibility and sustainability in all of its building projects. The company is dedicated to employing ecological friendly products and methods. A number of community projects are also supported by Melewa Developments, including giving scholarships to deserving students and contributing to regional charity. The project to be built, a new multi-use property in Kuala Lumpur, was given to Melewa Development in 2023. As I said before, sustainability in the environment is important to Melewa Development. The business has implemented several eco-friendly programs such as employing recycled material in construction and adding solar panel to the office building. For instance, the Johor Bahru office of Melewa Developments are total solar powered. As a result, Melewa Development has been able to lower its carbon emissions and lower its energy costs. So this is our company logo, which consists of the gear-looking symbols and a man wearing PPE. And as you can see, is stated there 1997, where the year of this company establishment. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Azman and my mental number is CF200153. Okay, right now I will present about the financial performance of Melewa Group Sdn Bhd. So, financial performance can be found in the annual report of the company that will be published in the end of the year. This is to achieve the business financial for a year, including the collection and distribution of funds as determined by capital sufficiency, liquidity, solvency, efficiency, leverage, and profitability. Financial performance is a comprehensive evaluation of a company's financial health and profitability. So, as you can see from this slide, this is the balance sheet of Melewa Group Sdn Bhd. So, the total asset at the end of the 31 January 2023 is 119 million, and the total liabilities is 87.08 million. Next, this is cash flow. So, cash flow refers to the movement of cash into and out of a company during a specific period, typically measured monthly, quarterly, and annually. It represents the net amount of cash generated or consumed by a company, operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. Positive cash flow indicate that the company is generating more cash than it's spending, and the negative cash flow suggests the company is spending more cash than it's generating. So, as you can see from this slide, this is the cash flow of Malewa Group Sdn Bhd. So, the cash from the operating activities at the end of 31 January 2023 is negative 3.7 million. That means Malewa Group Sdn Bhd has spending more cash than it generates. And the cash from the investing activities is 14.5 million. And the cash from financing activities is negative 10.4 million ringgit. So the last one is the income statement. Income statement is also known as a profit and loss statement. It's a financial statement that summarizes a company revenues, expenses, gains, and losses over a specific period, typically a quarter of a year. It provides a snapshot of the company's financial performance and its ability to generate profits. The income statement starts with the company revenues from sale of goods or services and then deduct various operating expenses such as cost of goods sold, operating expenses, and tax to arrive at the net income or net loss. So, as you can see on income statement of Malewa Group Sdn Bhd, at the end of 31 January 2023, the total revenue is 14.4 million and the total operating expense is 13.05 million. The gross profit on 31 January is 1.23 million and the operating income is 1.37 million and the net income before taxes is 1.3 million and net income after taxes 1.9 million ringgit.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fuad. Today I would like to explain about the benefit cost ratio, which is BCR. The function of it is to evaluate project assess profitability. It can also interpret as the risk return profit of the project or asset which more desirable with the higher BCR. Therefore, if the BCR value is greater than 1, it can be assumed that the project is profitable. Like we can see at left, this is the table used for identify the BCR type, whether it is lower than 1, value 1, same to value 1, and more than 1. Next is for financial institution for business financing, we use Maybank because it offers SME clean loan or financial eye. For its eligibility, it offers for both Maybank and non-Maybank customer. That are sole proprietor, partnership, or the private limit company with below than 25 million annual sale turnover, below than 5 million outstanding loan, machine order registered company, and more than 1 year operation. For our project, the operation is more than 1 year, which is 5. So the interest rate is 4.5%. This is all items that need to have to calculate the BCR ratio. Firstly is investment. The total investment price is 677 million. For operation and maintenance is 4 million per annual. For benefit, which is 50 million, and lastly market value is 20 million. Lastly, for the calculation, we assume our area of land for our project is 30, and we assume our rate of return as 5%. And then we make two calculation, which is present work and annual work. Based on the all result that we get, it is less than 1. So we can conclude that the project cannot be proceed.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nukmin bin Zulkarnain and my number metric is CF200-131. For the conclusion, The benefit cost ratio for the proposed project was calculated to be 0.096. This means that the project benefits are less than its cost, and therefore it is not a wise investment. There are a few reasons why the benefit cost ratio may be low. One possibility is that the project benefits are not well defined or are difficult to quantify. Another possibility is that the project costs are underestimated. Thank you.